How to sign in to the Nike app. Hello everyone, my name is Smile, and in this video I'm gonna show you how you can sign in to the Nike app. So if you are an Android user, then you need to head into the Google Play Store, and if you are an iOS user, then you need to head into the App Store. So anyways, just head it there. On the top search bar, you can simply search for Nike app, and after that, if the Nike app is available in your region, then it will simply show the application right here. If this is the app, then I can simply install it, and after that I need to sign into it. In default, it will show me by login or sign in. If I already have an account, then I can simply log in by using my phone number, email and password. Otherwise, I can sign in by using my email or phone number and also follow all the steps which is shown on the screen. So just install it and then sign in or log into your account by following all the informations like tapping your emails and typing the password and then signing in to your Nike app. So this is how you can do it. To try it and see if it works or not. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then please do thumbs up, subscribe, and also comment in the comment section below.